Okay, going to do a little practice here using different ways of adding. And you can see right here we have the base 10 model, we have a pictorial model, and we have a standard way of doing addition. And the addition problem we're going to do is 256 plus 357. And you can see right here I already modeled 256 plus 357. And I did the same thing with my pictorial model. I got 256 plus 357, and then the standard way of doing it right here. This is the most concrete way of doing it because we're actually using base 10 blocks, so that are proportional in size. This is a little bit more abstract. Basically, we're drawing the base 10 blocks. And this is the most abstract way of doing it. And this is probably, this is the way that we want third graders to do addition problems, especially when you have to regroup. So I'm going to go ahead and start off in the ones place, just like I do using my standard algorithm of doing it. And if you look in my ones place, I'm going to start my base 10 blocks. I have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. But I cannot have 13 in the ones place. You see, I have the ones place right here. I cannot have 13 in the ones place. So I'm going to regroup. I'm going to get 10 of these and put them together. I'm going to switch them out for a rod. I'm going to take these, move them off, and then I'm going to add 10 more to my tens place. And you can see I have 3 left. Okay, same thing with my pictorial model here. Okay, I have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, but I cannot have 13 in the ones place. So I'm going to go ahead and regroup. I'm going to take 10 of them, and I'm going to move them over to the tens place. So now I have an extra 10 there, and then I have 3 ones left. So I have 3 ones left. Have 3 ones left. Okay, same thing in my standard way of doing it. 6 plus 7 is 13. Okay, I cannot have 13 in the ones place, so I'll leave my 3 in the ones place and carry 1 over the tens place. Okay, now I'm going to go over the tens place on my base 10 blocks. I have 5, 10, 11. I have 11 in the tens place, or 110. I can't have 2 digits in any place value, so I'm going to regroup. I'm going to take 10 of my rods. I'm going to regroup and add 100 to the hundreds place. And now I have 1 10 left in the tens place. And in the pictorial model, same thing. Okay, I have 5, 10, 11, or 50, 100, 110. And I can't have 2 digits in the tens place, so I'm going to regroup. I'm going to take 10 of my tens, which is 100, and I'm going to move that over to the hundreds place. And then I have 110 left. And now on the standard, okay, the standard algorithm, okay, have 5 plus 5 plus 1 is 11, or 50 plus 50 plus 10 is 110. But so I'm going to take my 10 and leave in the tens place and move my 100 to the hundreds place. Okay, and on the last, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the hundreds place. Over here I have 600, and then 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. So when I add 256 plus 357, I have 613, standard way. 600, 110, and 3 ones is 613 in the pictorial way. And 600, 600, and 110, and 3 ones is 613 using base 10 blocks. So that's just 3 different ways that we can use to do addition, especially with the regrouping.